Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add stickers on Fluxer. So let's jump into our community, and if you have permissions in a community you can add stickers that all members of that space can use. So click on the community name at the top of the sidebar. Okay, so let's go here to the top name here of the community name. Click on it and then to community settings. Now, what we are going to do, we need to find here something like custom expressions, custom stickers right here. And now what we can also do is we can search for stickers, or we can upload sticker. So let's say we will upload it. Let me jump here into the pictures. For example, I will take just random one here, like that. Let's say now we can change the name like that. Description you can add, text you can add, and then just hit the create like that, and you will see it right here. Now, if we go back to the chat here and to the group chat and navigate here to the stickers, you will see now that you created, basically you see your own sticker right here, and we can paste it right over into the chat. And now all the users can use that, and so on. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.